guys, today I will be sharing how to make mango dream cake, my version. So if you want to learn how to make this, stick around and I'll show you how to make it. It is really easy to make. Now for the mango filling, I'm using 5 extra large mangoes. So if you're using a slightly smaller mango, you might need 6 to 8 mangoes. This is 4 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch and 1 cup of sugar. Cut the mangoes in half, remove the stone. Now we're going to remove the outer skin of the mango using a glass or a cup. Now we're going to cut the mangoes into slightly larger cubes because we're going to cook this and we don't want all the mangoes to disintegrate. Just like this. So continue slicing until you finish up with all the mangoes. So this is quite a lot because we're making 3 cakes. This recipe will make you 3 9-inch cakes. So here are all the mangoes chopped up into big chunks. Now in a heavy base saucepan, combine the mangoes, cornstarch, and sugar. At the start, I'm using 3/4 of sugar, but then I decided to put the rest of the sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar depending on how sweet the mango is. Gently stir the mixture. And then we're going to move to a stove with the heat setting medium to low heat. And then we're going to cook this until the mixture is not cloudy anymore. Remember to keep on stirring this, but gently. So this is still a bit cloudy. We're going to wait until this mixture clears up a little bit. Once it clears up, transfer it into a bowl. And also it is important to taste if it tastes like starch, then you need to cook it a little bit more. This is what we're looking for. Now let's make the chiffon cake. 7 egg yolks, 2.5 cups of cake flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of water, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. To begin, we're going to whisk the egg yolk. For this, we're going to add the sugar. Continue whisking until this becomes light pale yellow. At this point, we can add the vanilla. Then add the water. Then add the oil. To this, we're going to sift in the cake flour, the salt, and the baking powder. And then we're going to use a spatula to mix this using the folding method. Once everything is well combined, we're going to set this aside while we move on to the meringue. For the meringue, we need 7 egg whites, 3/4 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. So beat the egg whites until it is frothy. Then add the cream of tartar. At this point, we can gradually add the granulated sugar. Once the sugar is all in, continue beating until we reach the stiff peak stage. And this is not the stiff peak stage. Now we're going to combine the egg yolk batter to the meringue in 3 additions using the folding method. Again, you must remember to stir gently so we don't deflate the meringue. It's best to undermix than to overmix this batter. So that's the first addition of the meringue. And this is now ready. We're going to divide this into 4 pans. So as you can see, I have 4 because the other one, I'm gonna use it for the topping. So that's 9-inch cake pan and the other one is 8-inch. The gold ones are the 9-inch and the silver ones is 8-inch. So we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. This is what it looks like after baking. This will go down slightly. And now remember the silver cake pan. We're going to process this until it becomes crumbs. This will be for the topping. Set this aside. For the cream, we need half a cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 600 grams of cream. This is not enough. I added 200 ml of cream and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. So in a bowl, combine all the ingredients. And then we're going to mix this until it reaches stiff peak stage. I will put the correct adjustment for the cream in the description box. So now that we reach stiff peak stage, we're ready to put together the dream cake. So get about 3 tablespoons of the cream. And then we're going to get about 4 tablespoons of the mango filling. So just combine this together. So we're ready to assemble the cake. So add about 3 tablespoons in each cake. Then spread this evenly. At this point, we're going to add our mango filling on top. Put a generous amount of the mango filling. Now to this, we're going to put the whipping cream. So the remaining whipping cream here is only enough for the 2, so I made the other 200 grams plus 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. this later after putting the lid. So now we're going to use the cake crumble that we processed before. So put generous amount on top. I'm using my hands, but my hands are clean. Put the lids on top, then place this in the fridge for about 45 minutes before consuming. After 45 minutes, our cake is now ready to be consumed. This is our finished product. So each part of the cake is different. This is so good. It's so light, creamy, and not too sweet. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. So if you want me to continue making different variation of dream cake, please like the video, subscribe. I upload every Wednesday, and click the notification bell so you'll be updated with the latest happening at My Sweet Ambitions. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Bye.